वहाँ पे लिखा आएगा कि रिकॉर्डिंग हो भी रही है या नहीं।
यहाँ से
आ रहा है
तो आपको रैंक भी नहीं आया अभी तक, साढ़े
ये देखो यहाँ पे आ रहा है, शो हो रहा है।
टाइम मिलेगा तब तक आना।
लाइट वो हो रही होगी,
ठीक है।
मतलब ब्लू बंद हो रही है, जल रही है।
हाँ, हाँ।
हाँ तो मतलब वही लिखो। ये तो earphone है।
First of thing, start करूँ ना? First of thing, you can see here in desktop a login page. Here you can make multiple company, and you can create multiple company, and you can feed multiple datas in this software. Now I mention here username and password, then login. Here you can see in right hand side dashboard. You can see in dashboard overview of this software, like purchasing, sales return, weekage expire, and account details about banks, cash data and creditors, and in other stock values, dumb stock and nearby expire, and product receipts, PDC receipts. And now come in left side. First of thing, company. Here is the option is backup. You can take backups, then switch from, then switch year, then log off, then exist. Now come in masters. First thing, lasers. In lasers we are mention the data of customer and supplier. Here is given a tools like add, edit, delete, view and close. I view some customers and supplier names. Suppose AJ store. So firstly we add this name AJ store. Suppose if you want to give a code name of this supplier, then you can, otherwise it is not compulsory. If you want give this this supplier particular code, then you can, then state name, then account and a group. Here you can mention suppose I mention I make it supplier, so I mention here sanitary creditors. And now if you want to give a laser group, then you can, otherwise it is not compulsory. If GST number is registered, then you can mention here GST number, otherwise NA, that means not applicable. And GST type is here is given options like registered, unregistered and composite. Now herein is customers details, suppliers or customers detail like address, pin code, mobile number, etc. You can mention here. Credit limits you can give, and credit days also. Now save and now close. Now I come in masters and then lasers, and I view one supplier name. Suppose which suppose Shivam. Shivam is the name of a customer. If you want to give a customer particular code, then you can give, otherwise it is not compulsory. Then state name, account data group we can mention their sanitary datas. And after that, if you want to give a laser group, then you can. If you want to give a GST number, then you can. If it is registered, then you can mention here GST number, otherwise it is unregistered, then you can mention here NA, that means not applicable. As it is in supplier case, we are mentioning the data of address, credit limits, credit days. Same in customer case, you can mention here address of customers, and credit you can give him credit days and credit limits, then save. Now close. Now come in masters. You can mention here another options like account group, sales master, employee masters. Now come in item master and finish item. Suppose here is also given a tools like add, edit, delete, view and close. After that I come in view. Suppose any product like mobile. So suppose here you can give an item name, then item, if you want to give a item code, then you can, otherwise it is not compulsory. HSNO code, you also know about the HSNO code. It is given by the government. And GST group, which GST group you are, if you want to give, suppose if you want to GST group F12, GST group GST GST group 12% or GST group 18%. Suppose I mention here GST 18%. Unit, every product is come in any box or pieces. Suppose unit is boxes. Alternative units in any box, there is a lots of there is so many pieces. So there is, I mention here pieces and unit conversion, because here is a mention the relation between the units and alternate units. It is a conversion by the one. And if you want to give a MRP, then purchase rate, then sales rate and margin. If you want to batch number, batch wise billing, then you can mention here mark. And if you want to give a division, brand, composition and other details, you can mention here. Then save, then close. Now in masters, there is another options like item categories, division masters, station master, discount and sales discount, purchase discount. Now come in purchase bill. Suppose I add any supply, any party name like Ram, and I mention here items mobile, and you can see here the units and pieces and what is the stock value. Here is you can see here stock values, and after that you mention here the quantity which you want to sell. Suppose I want to sell 10 quantities, then you can mention here 10 quantities. After that, if you have any offers, then you can mention free. Suppose you have an offer is about 10 selling, if you want to give up one free item. Now after that, you can mention here if you want to change the rate, then you can an amount, then discount, then add. Here you can see the bill of this product, and after that you can see, then you can see here in right hand side the tools and add, delete and print, Excel, email and payment also. Sometimes you can see here the print
सर अब बना तो लिए है, बन जाएगा 5 मिनट लगेगा।
the print value, print of this bill. You can see here the GST, SGST. If you want to see here your logo of the shop or firm, it will be print here, and here you can here it will be print your company or firm name, then closed. Now I come to sales. Suppose add, I want to sell, suppose customer. Suppose I want to sell mobile. Here, because we purchased 10 quantity of the mobile, then here is showing that 490 in stock value of the mobile. Suppose I sell 10 quantities. So if you want to give any free and discount, then here you can mention here, and after that add. And you can see here the text noise. Now here is in right hand side the another option is payment. Suppose if you want to payment, then if you have any facilities about buy credit, buy Paytms, then you can. Suppose I take here cash payment, and then OK, and then save. Here here another option is reports. Sales register, you can see sales reports. And in another reports like purchase register, stock report. Suppose if you want to see stock values, suppose stock statement item wise, you can see here this report. According to the requirement, Here is so many reports like GST reports, masters reports, variation reports, purchase planning, purchase order reports, and sales order reports. In accounts, here is the facilities about voucher entries, receipt, payment journal, and debit notes. This is lasers and day books. If have a daily expense, there is a data mentioned in day books, and cash book and bank books, profit loss, and trial balance opening and trial balance closing. And in transaction, you can see here another options like opening stock, stock add, stock less, and destroy, dispatch entries, and package sleep, etc. And utility, there is a control option. The password is given by the company. There is another features like if you according to your requirement, if you want to barcode wise billing, so here the options is like yes or no, enable or disable. That means if you want to barcode wise billing, then you can enable uh, this feature is yes or no. Okay, here is a like 40 to 50 features of this software. Okay. Okay. Now here is a lots of features which is able to solve your retail and wholesale shops. Now thank you.